Well, hello, Greg on the go. Parking cars at our 96.1 WODZ Motorfest. That's right, I'm parking spectator cars here today. Takes a lot of expertise, but I'm up to the task. And if you look around here, you can see that so far the lot hasn't filled up yet. It's early in the day, but I have organized the parking of these cars so scientifically that you pretty much can't see them from view. I kept them kind of discreet the way they park. Anyway, and just to let you know, see behind me here, see that? There's a sign with the beer on it. I think that was put there just to tempt me. Oh, I'm not going to be tempted because I have a job to do. I'm part of the staff, as you can see. Look, see my staff shirt? It says staff. That's what it is. So we're parking cars here this beautiful day, Motorfest, and we want to thank everyone who came out today to be a part of Motorfest, whether it was a spectator with a car or our sponsors. And the people at Vernon Downs Hotel and Casino could have been nicer. So, Greg McShay on the go, Greg on the go in the parking lot, parking cars. I think I've got a future with this. I think this might be a career move. We'll see how it goes.